If you've been searching for KovaOne Reviews, you're probably wondering whether this dog joint supplement is actually worth buying or if the claims deserve a closer look. With promises of improved mobility, cartilage support, and reduced discomfort for senior dogs, I decided to take a closer look at what KovaOne is offering and what potential buyers should consider. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. KovaOne is marketed as a joint restoration chew designed primarily for dogs aged 7 and older. According to the website, the product is intended to support joint health, mobility, and comfort, with ingredients including glucosamine, MSM, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, green-lipped mussel, vitamin C, fish oil, and yucca. The company makes some strong claims. It says that more than 13,700 dogs are moving freely again, and that 94% of users saw improved mobility and reduced discomfort. It also displays a 4.9 rating based on 847 reviews and highlights customer stories involving older dogs supposedly becoming more active after using the product. However, there is an important detail to consider. These testimonials and statistics are presented directly on the company's own website, so consumers may want to look for independent sources before treating these claims as proof of effectiveness. The website also promotes NASC certification, third-party testing, GMP manufacturing, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. These are certainly points worth considering, but shoppers should still verify the details of any certifications and understand exactly what the guarantee covers before ordering. Another thing that caught my attention is the domain age. The website states that KovaOne is a newer online presence, with the domain KovaOne.shop registered on July 1st, 2026. That's a relatively recent registration, so there isn't a long online history to examine yet. The product is priced at $37.95 for one box, with larger packages offering discounts. The site also claims free delivery on orders over $49 and says the product is made in the USA. As for independent feedback, the Trustpilot information provided for this review shows 0 reviews for KovaOne. That doesn't automatically mean the product is unreliable, but it does mean there's currently limited third-party feedback available through that platform. So, is KovaOne legit? Based on the information available, there are several positive claims, quality assurances, and a money-back guarantee. But the relatively new domain and lack of Trustpilot reviews mean buyers may want to proceed carefully. My advice is to research the ingredients, check the seller's policies, and speak with your veterinarian before giving any supplement to a dog, especially if your pet already takes medication. A supplement should not be considered a replacement for professional veterinary care. Overall, KovaOne may be worth researching further, but there isn't enough independent information yet to confidently confirm whether its bold claims match real-world results for most dogs.